The first step in making the comb for our hen is to make a slip knot with the red yarn. The next thing you're going to do is decide where you want your comb to start. It should be pretty close to the back of the neck where the big opening is. Insert your hook and then simply pull your loop through. The next thing you're going to do is chain 4. So remember, a chain is yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we're going to find the third chain from the hook and work 2 single crochets in that chain. So you're going to insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Then you're going to repeat, inserting your hook in the same space that you just worked in. The chain stitches can be a little tight, so if you have to use your finger to help get your hook through, that's okay. Now we're going to do a slip stitch on the top of the head. This is going to attach the first section of the comb to the hen. So insert your hook where you want it to attach, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then continue pulling through the loop that's on your hook. Now we're going to repeat what we just did 2 more times, starting with chain 4, then 2 single crochets in the third stitch from the hook, now slip stitch into the head of the hen where you want this part to attach. Repeat 1 more time, chain 4, 2 single crochets in the third chain from the hook, and slip stitch 1 more time into the head of your hen. And the hard part is over. We'll finish up in the next video.